In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use comments in Google Docs to collaborate more effectively with others. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. To get started, open your Google Doc and highlight the text you want to comment on. Look to the right side of the toolbar and click the little speech bubble icon with a plus sign. That's the comment button. Alternatively, you can right-click the highlighted text and choose Comment. A comment box will appear on the right. Here, you can type your message, give feedback, or leave a note for a teammate. If you want to notify someone, type @ followed by their email address or name, and they'll get an email notification. Once the comment is posted, others can reply, resolve, or even react to it. When an issue is addressed, just click Resolve to clean up the comment thread. You can also delete or edit your comments by clicking the three dots next to them. That's it. Now you know how to use comments in Google Docs to streamline feedback and communication. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.